Hey there, welcome to episode 107 of the Daily Shed, and today's Friday, so it's a level 5 lesson, a bit more advanced. Well, you can see how this goes. This is really, I just wanted to share the beginning of Pinball Wizard with you. Not necessarily hard to do, but I wanted to show you the intro, and I wanted to show you kind of what I play going into the vocal line as a solo guitarist. There's some additional things that are kind of tricky. But I'll show you the chords first, some of my favorite chords ever written. It's just absolutely beautiful. Here's using the bottom 4 strings of the guitar. This is a B minor. So like this. 4th fret D string, 4th fret G string, 3rd fret B string, 2nd fret E string. Okay. And if you're playing fingerstyle, I use my index kind of as a pick. So I strum through the whole thing, and then pick on the D string. If you're doing a straight fingerstyle, you can use your thumb. And the second is the same chord, but with the E string being opened. So just 4th fret D string, 4th fret G string, 3rd fret B string. Okay, so. And then this chord here, suspended chord. There's a number of different ways you can call it. But I would basically call it an F sharp 7 suspended. So 4th fret D string, 4th fret G string, 2nd fret B string, and then you open E. So you have to watch your fingers here just a little bit. Make sure that you don't mute anything, and again, pick and keep going. Keep going on the bottom string, on the D string. And this, which is basically just basically an F sharp 7, F sharp dominant. So 4th fret D string, 3rd fret G string, 2nd fret B string, open E. So far we've got this. Okay. And this chord, which can be interpreted in a lot of different ways. Yeah, it's a pretty open chord for sure. Let's just call it another variation on the F sharp. That's probably all we need to really say for now. 4th fret on the D string, 2nd fret on the A, open B, open E. Okay. So far. And this chord, which is a nice, wonderfully dissonant chord. All you're doing is fretting the F sharp on the D string, 4th fret of the D string, everything else is open. And that's all in context, it sounds great. So again. Okay, then this, which is basically a G6, 4th fret, D string, 3rd fret, 5th fret, D string, 4th fret G string, 3rd fret B string, open E, and slide it down 1 fret. So now you're at 4th fret D string, 3rd fret G string, 2nd fret B string, so you open E. So the entire introduction I'll play for you. Okay, and there, to really get the feel of it, I'm going to start strumming on that. Watch your bottom strings, because you only want to hit the bottom 4 strings as you're strumming. I usually push my ring finger against the A string a little bit to help mute that. So even if I hit the A string, I won't ring it. Okay, then moving on just a little bit past the intro. Then you want to, at the very end of that, you want to suspend that F sharp again. So now that final chord is 4th fret D string, 4th fret G string, 2nd fret B, open E still. So after then we're into the really hard strumming part. And we're also going to incorporate one note of the bass here as well. Okay. Right. So this is basically an E5 chord. 9th fret on the D string, 9th fret on the G string, open B, open E. Or you can also look at it as a B suspended chord. And we'll resolve it to the B. So now it's 9th fret D string, 8th fret G string, open B, open E. So. To do is suggest the bass line here. The bass line comes in like that, and the way the bass actually is you just play those 2 notes. We're gonna sort of suggest that by doing something that's easier to play as a guitar player. I'm gonna hit the open E string and hammer on the B string while I'm strumming. So twice. You're just hitting on, and it's okay if you hit the A string too, but just hammer on the E string. Let it ring. Okay, and we're up to the vocal line. At that point, if you have a vocalist, you can keep playing that and they sing. I do go on and play the vocal line together. I have the tab for that. If you want it, just let me know. Basically, I go up here. Go up here to simulate the vocal line. Like that. And go on from there through the song. But that intro is really great and meaty. I love those chords. So have fun with this. Let me know if you have any questions. This part is really fun, because people don't expect that bass to come in. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, let me know any questions you might have. Thank you for watching.